Good morning, everyone. I'm on the way to the Florida DMV for a rebuild title inspection for the Mustang. If you're wondering about doing it yourself, this is the first time I'm doing it, and it's pretty simple so far. I haven't passed inspection yet, but that's because, number one, I haven't gone yet, and I guess that's really it. But so I'm on my way right now, and so far all I had to do was fix the car, the quarter panel, save my receipts from the purchase of the quarter panel. Now that's probably the most important thing, is keeping your receipts. What else? I filled out 2 forms for the inspection. Yeah, for the rebuild title inspection, which basically one form is stating where you got the parts from, what was fixed, and then the second one is registering for the rebuild title itself. And then, other than that, you have to provide at least 2 photos of the vehicle beforehand. And when I spoke to the inspector himself, I gave him like 5 different photos of the vehicle, and he showed me which ones that he wanted, which I'll probably just do edit to show you what those 2 are. But basically, he said he wants to see the full car in the photo, both photos, on opposite corners. So let's say your one photo is from the left front corner, and then the second one is from the right rear corner. Make sure you show the whole car in the pictures. I asked them about pictures to show the damage by itself, and he said nope, don't worry about that. And again, this is in Florida. But so we had the quarter panel fixed, 2 forms, photos, and the last thing was I had to pay $40 for the inspection. So whenever you go to turn in your paperwork for the to get everything started, you have to pay $40 for the inspection. And if you fail the inspection, it's only $20 to have it re-inspected, which is great because I basically did the bare minimum. I replaced the quarter. I didn't put like interior or anything back in. I just wanted to see what was like the bare minimum that I had to do in order to pass inspection. Now, I'm not trying to skip any corners or anything like that. I just wanted to know for myself, like, for next time, if I wanted to get something rebuilt, do I have to, like, make it full interior and all that stuff? Because I didn't put any of the interior back in or anything like that. And the car is not stock. It has, like, the suspension, angle kit, and it even has a racing seat in there, which I have no idea if they're gonna tell me to put the stock seat back in, but we'll find out. I'm gonna ask them a bunch of questions because I want to get another salvage vehicle in the future, because it was pretty fun, a fun adventure getting this taken care of. And today is pretty much spot on 6 months from when we bought the vehicle, so it took 6 months to rebuild it for my purposes. And I think we drifted like 4 or 5 events so far, between Holt, Five Flags, where'd we go? We went to NOLA a couple times, which is great. Love that place. But yeah, even though I haven't had a rebuilt title, we've been drifting this car. It's been amazing. I've had more seat time in this thing this year than I have in my previous vehicles over the past 2 years. Oh, I'm at the DMV now, so I will see you guys later. Hey guys, we're at the DMV. We just passed inspection. It took like 2 minutes to get everything done. All he did was he checked the mileage and saw that the repair was done for the quarter. He based it off of the photo that I sent him or showed him the other day, and then right after that we have our approved sticker, and he even passed me with the racing seat, and he asked me about the shifter and e-brake and stuff, and I just explained to him it's a drift car, and he gave me a thumbs up for that. So yeah, not 100% perfect, but I didn't care enough for that. It's not a show car. It just needs to look good from like 100 feet away, which it's questionable because it's a Mustang, and I don't know how well they look from far away, but you tell me. So this Saturday we're gonna go drifting again. I got a rebuilt title, so now that the inspection's done, we can go smash into other people and we'll still have a good title. So we'll see you later.